Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix Rockstar Games Launcher could not be found in Fivem. So let's get started. If you're getting the Rockstar Games Launcher could not be found error in Fivem, it usually means Fivem cannot detect your official installation of Grand Theft Auto 5 or the Rockstar Games Launcher. Since Fivem requires a legitimate and properly installed copy of GTA 5, everything must be correctly set up. First, make sure the Rockstar Games Launcher is installed on your PC. If it's missing, download it from the official Rockstar Games website and install it. Open the launcher, sign in, and launch GTA 5 at least once directly from the launcher. This ensures the game files are verified and all necessary registry entries are created. If the launcher is already installed, but Fivem still can't detect it, right-click both Rockstar Games Launcher and Fivem and choose Run as Administrator. This helps avoid permission-related detection issues. Next, verify your GTA 5 game files. Open Rockstar Games Launcher, go to Settings, select My Installed Games, choose GTA 5, and click Verify Integrity. Let the process complete before reopening Fivem. If the issue continues, press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type %local app data, and press Enter. Find the Fivem folder and uninstall or delete it. Then reinstall Fivem fresh and restart your PC. After restarting, open Rockstar Games Launcher first, then launch Fivem. These steps usually fix the detection error and allow Fivem to properly recognize your GTA 5 installation. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.